Hello there and welcome to another one of these Lexical Lab 1 minute English videos. If you like this video, make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel and check out our website www.lexicallab.com to find out more about our online classes. Last Monday, one of my students turned up in our Zoom room looking a little bit the worse for wear. She looked shattered, to be honest, like she hadn't really slept. And I was a bit surprised because usually she's a very sparky, lively student. After the third or fourth time that she yawned in class and looked like she was going to fall asleep, I asked her, "Are you okay? You don't really seem very with it today." It turned out that she was back in Kiev and she'd spent the night in a shelter where she hadn't really had any sleep because of a massive Russian drone attack on the city. If you say that you're not very with it today, or you don't feel very with it today, you basically mean that you're not functioning at 100%. You're not really dealing with or processing or understanding what's going on around you. As my son often says first thing in the morning, "Oh, I'm not really with it today. My brain's not braining." It's often something that you might ask someone if you're a bit concerned about them, as I did, where you ask, "Are you okay? You don't seem very with it today." And if you haven't really had a proper night's sleep because you've spent the night in a shelter, because you've been travelling, because you've got a young child in the house that's been keeping you awake, you might go into work the next day and just say, "Oh, I'm really sorry, I need more coffee. I'm not really with it today. I'm struggling here." You might also hear someone described as being very with it. This usually means that they're quite fashionable and they know about lots of new things, particularly in culture. So maybe you might have a particular friend who you ask for recommendations about new music because they're your hip friend and they've always been very with it. They've got their finger on the pulse. They know what's going on in the music world. Maybe if you're a teenager, you might find it really embarrassing when your dad tries to be with it by talking in teenage slang or talking about artists that you and your friends are really into. If you've enjoyed this video, please do click the like button. Please share it on social media with your friends, your students, your colleagues, and in the comments section below, we'd love to see examples of how you might use "not very with it" or "very with it."